What's up, guys? This is Speed Fresh. Guess what? Now, today is my 20th year anniversary for flying the remote control airplanes. Well, guys, this is it. Just like I told you. Now, I've been flying the remote control airplanes for 20 years, people. Do you hear me? 20 years. So here it is. So I bought my planes for me, my Arrested Magnum R, 200 miles per hour plane, the V900. The rest of Magnum R, I'm just gonna crank it up and then that's it. But I'm not gonna fly because the grass is red. Because it been raining on yesterday. And it's cold out here, so it ain't too bad. The wind is not blowing that much. I'm just gonna fly my V900 to celebrate. And then tomorrow I'm gonna come back and then fly my Arrested Magnum R. So that's about it, man. Yep, 20 years, baby. We got a couple guys. We got a few guys out here. We got Trey and Kevin. Oh, yeah. And the other guys. It's going to work perfect for you. Oh, yeah. All right, man. Let's do it. Okay, we're blowing this way. All right. Here we go. Check the range. Oh, here's up. My antenna right here. The little piece, the pin right there, it broke. But the antenna is still good. I'm going to check the range. Okay. Oh, there go that cop. My range is okay. My range is good. Sweet. Jennifer's body. 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 Jennifer's back. Jennifer's back. Jennifer's back. Jennifer's back. Jennifer's body. 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 Tight formation, 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 tight formation. Sure. 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 Tight formation, 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 time to land. Woo! Shit. Yeah, I almost crashed it too. I almost lost that one. Didn't mean to do that. Yeah. This is my 20th year anniversary, baby. This is Speed Fresh do. Ooh, almost hit that tree.
Him and Paul Bingham. And you put Paul Bingham and him here.
Oh, yeah. I remember. That's what Paul Bingham right here, man. And he's still good at it, too. Still a professional.
Remember you and Paul?
Yeah, I remember. And I remember Paul Bingham still got the lowest. I'll give him that. All right. Right here. Landed by the ant pole. Woo, yeah. That was awesome. V900, V900 is in the Scopy field. V900, we're leaving the dust. Yeah.
And you still get like cramps of whatever could be invested into.
That's it. That's for my 20th year anniversary, baby. 2020. Yeah, 2020.
I know, man, Daryl.
He landed. Uh-oh, I'm about to go fly, Super Dave. I got it. Yeah, I got it. I flew it twice already. All right, coming out. Take it off. I'm gonna do some low pass. I hear that nos. Oh, he tried to catch. We're racing. Uh-oh. Oh! That's why I'm gonna get another V900 Team Horizon. Yeah, Team Horizon. I'm gonna get another V900, man. See, I love this plane. For the V900. All right, go ahead. I'm up high. I just beat the L39. This V900 is fast, people. This is for my 20th year anniversary, baby. This is all about celebrating, baby. The biggest year of my 20th year anniversary in 2020. January 31st, 2020. Nice landing. Oh yeah, it was awesome.
I had full power and you were catching me.
Oh yeah, that V900 got you, man. That V900 is fast. I'm on 3S. All right, low speed pass inverted. Here we go. That's Super Dave, y'all, yeah. I like Super Dave. My favorite buddy. play. Oh! All right, time to land. I'm landing. Oh no! I'll kill myself. Oh no! I cut myself, man. I can't do that. I'll get my fingers cut off if I do that. I'm still spinning. Oh! Sorry. That was awesome. Yes, sir. It's been 20 years for me. That's the biggest year.
My 5 years feels like a beginner, I tell you.
Mine is 20 years. I'm way past that now. All right, guys. I got the 2200 4S 45 CD charge, but this is RJ's battery. My friend of mine, he let me borrow it for the day. You ready to go fast? We're gonna go 120 miles per hour today, baby. This is it. Yeah, let's hit a few slows a little. Yeah, it's fade out a little bit. I see the guy was saying, but it's all right though. Anyway, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Here we go. Here we go. Man, make sure it's recorded okay. $4S. We're going fast. We're going fast. This is it. Oh yeah. Ooh, a little tricky to launch. Oh yeah, it's going fast now. All right, you ready? You ready? Here we go. Woo! 120. Ooh-wee. Damn, that beat 900s fast. I'm doing 100 miles per hour on half throttle. Damn! Ooh-wee! Damn! Woo! 130! God damn! B900, baby! Here we go, Bloom still in floor. This one beat 100. That sounds like my striker. Ooh, I hear that nose kicking in. All right, time to land. That was awesome. Nice. Didn't break the block.